palms of your hand, the soles of your feet, thick skin. You'll see that it contains this white layer right here of the epidermis, the lucidum layer. So we have corneum lucidum, right? Granulosum spinosum, and this is the basal layer, okay? That orange. Now, so that's the epidermis, okay? Stratified squamous epithelial tissue, keratinized. Here you're going to see an example of a sweat gland that is a merocrine, aka eccrine sweat gland. You'll have the duct right here, and then the opening, the pore, sweat pore. Here's another sweat pore. Okay. As far as the skin is concerned, as far as the dermis layer, so we have the epidermis, the dermis, and then the hypodermis, aka the subcutaneous layer. So here's all representing of the subcutaneous, aka the hypodermis layer. Okay? So the dermis has these dermal papillae. See these pegs? Dermal papillae. Right here. The dermal papillae are comprise the papillary portion of the dermis. The reticular portion of the dermis from here to here, reticular portion, okay, is comprised of dense irregular connective tissue. The papillary portion, right, areolar connective tissue. Okay. We have here represented from the nervous system Meissner corpuscles and lamellar corpuscles, okay, for sensory perception. Here in the axilla, in the armpit region, we have apocrine sweat glands. They are active during puberty, okay, larger than the merocrine, aka eccrine sweat glands. Apocrine sweat gland, see how it's attached to a hair root, okay? So here we have the duct. Okay. Now let's look over here. This would represent another area of the skin, okay, the scalp. Okay, so we're viewing the actual hair shaft and the root, okay, the shaft of the hair. We have here the erector pili muscle, We can also view oil glands, sebaceous glands, oil-producing glands, sebaceous glands, connected to the hair. Okay. The subcutaneous layer comprised primarily of fat, adipose tissue, okay, and also areolar connective tissue. Okay, very good.